All right, so our first program is going to look like this. Okay, so I'm going to save this, right? It says int main, those curly braces or brackets, and then there is a return statement to return 0, okay? And there is a semicolon at the end. After this, typing those simple things, I'm going to say build and choose build this solution, which will build everything that I have so far. So I build this. My expectation is that there should be no error messages displayed in the output section. And it tells me everything succeeded, nothing failed. And we're just gonna go ahead and run this program. The option to run this program is to say debug, and there are basically two options. Start debugging, which means execute from debugging environment and try to control our program, or start without debugging, which is just basic execution of the program. So let me try this. Okay, so it runs and it tells me something like this. I will just copy and paste this for us to see here. I will just create a comment and paste this output and make it visible. Okay, so it says that such and such program, by the way, you can see where this program is located on my system. Process number was internally 420, exited with code 0. This is this return 0. So this return 0 communicates result of execution of the program back to the caller. In my case here it was an operating system or this Visual Studio environment, whoever started this process, right? So if I change it to 55, right, and after making a change I make another build, right, and then I go debug, start without debugging again, you see that now it says program exited with code 55, right? So this is a sure way to communicate the result of program execution back to the caller. Normally you just want to say 0. 0 means no errors. A non-zero typically corresponds to some kind of code of error, which you can communicate back, but on a regular basis, a normal return from your program is just a 0, right? So this is the minimalistic program that just does nothing, only gets loaded into memory, executes, returns 0 back to the caller, and gets out of the way. By the way, these things that I tried here, / asterisk, and then asterisk / this creates a multi-line comment. Okay, so this is a comment which may incorporate multiple lines. Of course, comments are ignored by the compiler environment. They're just for humans to see, and in my case, I brought it in because windows outside Visual Studio are not invisible in our video recording. So I just wanted to make sure that it gets included in our video recording when I post it online. Okay.